Looking to install a new septic tank system without getting ripped off? Alright, so here's the deal. The average cost for putting in a septic tank usually runs between $3,000 and $10,000, but it totally depends on the size of your system and where you live. First off, always get a few quotes from local contractors to compare prices. Don't just jump on the first one you find online. Make sure the contractor is licensed and has good reviews, because you don't want someone cutting corners on something that's going to affect your home's plumbing for years. Think about the size of your household too. Bigger families need bigger tanks, which means more money up front but better long-term results. You can save some cash by checking if your area offers any rebates or financial help for septic system upgrades. Some places do, believe it or not. Also, ask about the type of tank they recommend. Concrete is common but heavy and costly to install, while plastic or fiberglass might be cheaper and easier but sometimes less durable. Don't forget about the drain field, because it's part of the whole system and can add to the cost if the soil needs special prep. Finally, plan for maintenance costs after installation, since keeping your septic system healthy will save you tons down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make when installing a new septic tank system is hiring unlicensed or inexperienced contractors, which can lead to poor installation and future backups. Always verify credentials and check reviews before signing anything. Another common issue is underestimating the size of the septic system needed. Going too small means frequent problems and costly repairs, so be honest about how many people live in your house and your water usage. A third problem is ignoring local regulations and permits, which can cause legal headaches and fines. Make sure your contractor pulls all the necessary permits and follows county or city codes to keep everything above board. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners wanting to find trustworthy local contractors who specialize in septic system installation. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making it easier for both sides to get what they want without all the hassle.